Hey guys, what's up? Come join us to our day 2 here in Hong Kong. And now we're going to Disneyland! Uy! Since most of our family members were first-timers, Kenneth and I decided na mag-avail ng early pass para makapasok kami sa park an hour before the standard opening hours. So upon entry, they will have to capture your photo, and since I have booked this as a family or group, then they took us a group photo. And there you are, we're in! And finally, here's the famous Hong Kong Disneyland Castle. Naks naman, ang ganda in person, in fairness. So here, I'm wearing a Rapunzel-inspired outfit, while Crystal is wearing Princess Belle from the Beauty and the Beast, and I think Andrea is wearing Minnie Mouse since it's red. Uy! Since nag-avail nga kami ng early pass, what we did was we took a lot of pictures in the castle, and then we went straight ahead here to ride the Ever After, the Frozen Ever After ride, kasi ito yung pinaka maraming tao or maraming pila once na nagbukas na yung standard opening hours ng park.
Hi, cousin!
So these are some clips inside the ride, and of course, ang ating pinakaabangan, ang paglitaw ni Maring Elsa! So dito gusto lang naman namin makisingalong, yun pala bigla palang hihilait pa backwards yung ride. In all fairness, nakakalula siya. And here's for another view. So after naman ng pababang part na yan, next naman is yung sobrang stiff naman na pababa na good luck talaga sa amin. O di ba walang nakita, puro sigaw na lang. Uy!
The hot and the cold, they're both so intense. Put it together, it just makes sense.
So after with Frozen Ever After, let's proceed to do another Frozen ride. Nakalimutan ko yung name, pero sabi nila, chill lang to, pero huwag kayong maniniwala, it's a prank. Shoutout kay Kenneth at Andrea na nagsabing chill lang to. Sana naging masaya kayo. Uy! So, syempre kailangan din natin ng mga chill-chill na mga attractions dito. So, punta naman tayo sa side ni Iron Man. Let's go! After kay Iron Man, punta naman tayo dito kay Tarzan. Adventureland! So, isa to sa pinaka-favorite ko na ride dito kasi sobrang interactive nung pinaka-boat namin, boatman. And he can really interact well with all the guests. And super realistic nung mga hayop na nandito.
Which one is the female one? Left one or the right one? The right one, yeah, tell me why, man. Yeah, because women are always right.
O, di ba kahit dito sa jungle na Tarzan, women is always right? Uy!
Keep your hands inside about everyone. Okay, now we can move on. Okay. Everybody, hold tight. Whoa. Oh no, where are we now? I've been there before, race these. I know we cannot move on. The fountain in front. Can we go back? No. What? What should I do? Oh no, Jesus Christ, is that real? Oh, whoa! It's a real fight, no tap. No, we don't even get hurt. You gotta be kidding me. The fight's getting now. I did it. Let's go home together. Stop breathing. We don't stop. Wow, we made it. Let's put the hands together. Welcome back. It's Warren.
So in this part, we're in Toy Story Land. And this one is the Mystic Manor na kung saan nakita namin sa TikTok. Recommended to really ride this. So of course, we will gonna try this and let's go! Let's go!
Say hi, say hi. Hi.
We'll examine it later. Now, what was I?
Ang galing. Ang galing ah.
Might be true. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor.
So, Mystic Manor, 10 over 10. And then, di ba nakapag-relax kami sa Mystic Manor. Next naman namin yung Grizzly Bear na kung saan chill lang daw. Chill na naman pero hindi na naman totoo. It's a prank na naman.
Putang ina! Anay! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys!
O, di ba? Ito na naman po kami sa pa-backwards na ride. Itong dalawa talaga yung promotor eh. Mukha namang masaya silang dalawa.
Mahirap guys, mag-video.
Buwis buhay yarn.
Ano nangyari? Okay ba yun? Parang di masaya yung ride na yun ah. Kompleto ko pa kaya? Hindi ko alam kung kompleto pa yung flower ko. Flower gleaming glow. Hindi wala na sa likod ko. Glow na lang. Sakit daw.
At dahil mag-aalauna na at may parade, rides kasi kami. Ayan, late tuloy kami for the takbo ang person. And syempre, mawawala ba ang mga ating Disney princesses? On this part, talagang kinilig talaga ako because I'm wearing a Rapunzel-inspired outfit. Napansin tayo ni Rapunzel! Hello! So, kitang-kita dyan, ngiting-ngiti ako. Ulitin natin. Oh, di ba may flying kiss pa? So yun, dito pa lang feeling sumakses na mga first son dahil nakakalahati na kami ng araw. So, let's go lunch na. So we decided to eat here in the banquet hall, which consists of different cuisines. And then after mag-lunch, since late lunch na kami, mga 2 or 3 na yata kami natapos, we decided to just roam around the rest of the park and then magpahinga para mahintay namin yung Momentus. And the moment we have been waiting for, the highlight of the day, the fireworks display here in Disney. Baby? Sobrang saya lang sa feeling ng ganito na you're together with your family, na finally, nakarating na kayo dito sa place na to. So that's it. Kailangan din natin mag-emote-emote dito dahil napakaganda nga naman talaga ng background, di ba? So after the fireworks display, pinahupa muna namin yung tao bago kami umuwi. Kaya medyo empty street na yung palabas. But yeah, it's time to go home na. Thank you so much, Hong Kong Disneyland. And of course, thank you so much, Lord, for the opportunity and blessing for our family. You're the best. So, tayo na talagang umuwi dahil sobrang pagod na kami at sobrang sakit na ng mga paa namin. But of course, despite of the sore feet that we had that day, hindi pa rin mapapalitan yung tuwa, saya at memory na nabuo namin in this place. Thank you, Lord! That's it for the day too, so bye for now!
Natamaan pa.